How to hide Instagram post from one person. If you want to hide your Instagram post from one person, you can block them or remove them as a follower if you have a private account. But if you don't want to block them or don't want a private account, you can only restrict that person and limit their interaction with your post. To do that, first open the Instagram application. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now click on the hamburger icon at the top right to access your settings. Scroll down to the section on how others can interact with you. Here, select the restricted option. After selecting, search for the user you want to restrict in the search bar. Besides the username, you can see a restrict button. Tap on it. You have now successfully restricted a user on Instagram and limited their interactions with your post. This is how you can hide Instagram posts from one person.